Today, we will be introducing the Vicrez Auto Care Remover Pro, perfect for removing light scratches, tree sap, bird droppings, and more from your car's surface. The kit comes in a small travel bag and includes a microfiber cloth, a sponge, and the Remover Pro solution. Instructions on how to use the product are listed on the back of the bottle.
You want to make sure you give your car a simple wash first before you use this to get all the dirt out real quick. And after that, you just apply this directly onto the kind of like the problem area, we would say. So any minor scratches, or if you see a big tree sap, bird droppings, any like dirt, major dirt, or any scratches like that, you want to use this as well. So you can either use a sponge to kind of scrub all that off, but I'll recommend this used mainly for minor scratches and for tree sap.